Gamers, get ready. Big news has just dropped for Nintendo fans. The Nintendo Switch 2 is on the horizon, and the latest leaks aren't just about hardware. They're about new games that could change the future of Nintendo gaming. From a rumored brand new Zelda adventure to Super Mario Odyssey 2, Metroid Prime 4, next-gen Pokémon, and even Mario Kart 9, it looks like Nintendo is planning a launch lineup that's impossible to ignore. In this video, we're breaking down all the major leaks and updates hitting the internet right now. We'll talk about which games are expected, what makes them special, and how the Switch 2 could finally take the hybrid gaming experience to the next level. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Whether you're a longtime fan or a new player, you'll want to see what's coming next from Nintendo, so buckle up and let's dive into everything you need to know about the Nintendo Switch 2 games that have fans buzzing worldwide. The gaming world is buzzing once again, and this time all eyes are on Nintendo. For years, fans have been waiting for the successor to the legendary Nintendo Switch, a console that completely reshaped the industry when it launched back in 2017. With its hybrid design, playable on the go or docked to a TV, the Switch became an instant classic and one of Nintendo's most successful platforms ever, selling over 130 million units worldwide. But now, in 2025, anticipation has shifted to what comes next, the Nintendo Switch 2. And while Nintendo has kept things very secretive, leaks and updates about the console and its upcoming games are finally hitting the internet. From insider reports to accidental retailer listings and even developer leaks, we're beginning to get a picture of what the future of Nintendo gaming looks like. If these leaks are accurate, the Switch 2 won't just be a simple upgrade, it could mark a whole new era for both Nintendo and the wider gaming industry. What's even more exciting is that the latest wave of leaks isn't just about hardware specs or release timing. This time, it's the games that are stealing the spotlight. Several new titles have been rumored, ranging from long-awaited sequels to fresh IPs, along with enhanced ports of popular Switch classics. And with developers already hinting that the Switch 2 will deliver a massive jump in performance, enough to rival the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X in some areas, the potential of these games has fans absolutely thrilled. When a new console is on the horizon, leaks about the hardware always generate buzz, screen size, processing power, battery life, and so on. But what really defines a console is its game library. That's why leaks about Switch 2 games are being treated like treasure maps by fans online. After all, the original Switch's success was built not just on its clever hybrid design, but also on a lineup of legendary games: The Legend of Zelda, Breath of the Wild, Super Mario Odyssey, Animal Crossing, New Horizons, Pokémon Sword and Shield, Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, and Metroid Dread to name just a few. If the Switch 2 launches with the right combination of titles, new flagship entries in beloved franchises, enhanced ports of older games, and bold new IPs, it could repeat the magic of the original Switch, or even surpass it. That's why every leak, rumor, and insider whisper about upcoming games has become headline news in the gaming community. Let's dive into the most talked about leaks surrounding Switch 2's launch library and beyond. One of the strongest rumors circulating is that a brand new Zelda game is already in development for the Switch 2. While Tears of the Kingdom, 2023, gave fans a breathtaking follow-up